Welcome to Famity. Today, we will talk about our free Instagram giveaway picker tool. Instagram giveaway picker tool helps you select a winner on giveaways. As you know, Instagram giveaways gained a lot of popularity throughout recent years. Nowadays, many Instagrammers, especially influencers, do many giveaways to increase their engagements on Instagram. A giveaway is not only made for increasing engagement, but it is also useful to promote yourself and your business. It is very easy to use. There is no registration, so you can immediately start picking a winner for your giveaway. Let's take a look at how to use the tool. Enter the usernames of the participants to the related box where it says Participants. Enter a number of winners to the Number of Winners section to determine how many winners you want for your giveaway. Add the number of alternative winners to the related box. Click on the Pick Winners button to end the process, and you will see the winners and the alternative winners of your giveaway very fast. That's it. If you like our tool, you can also check out some of our other tools regarding Instagram. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.